Assalamu alaikum friends. Good morning. Welcome back to the class. How are you all feeling today? Alhamdulillah, you all are feeling fine. I'm happy to know that. And now it's time for a circle time song. So let's sing it together. Good morning, good morning, good morning to you. Good morning to you and you. Good morning to my friend wearing black today. Good morning to my friend wearing orange today. Good morning to my friend wearing yellow today. Good morning to my friend wearing red today. Good morning to my friend wearing white today. Good morning to my friend wearing blue today. Good morning to you. Good morning to you and you. Good morning and welcome to the class. And now it's time for the days of the week song. So let's sing it together. There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. We are into a new day and let's see which day it is today. Yesterday was Wednesday and we go one step jumping down. Today is, I can hear you all. It's Thursday. Yes, you all are right. Let's have a look at Thursday. Thursday looks like this. And Thursday goes jumping and sits up over here. Let's read the sentence. Today is Thursday. Today is Thursday. Good job. Give a clap to yourself. And now, let's look outside and see how the weather is. Is it sunny today? Is sun shining today? No. Is it windy today? Windy wind has come? No. Is it cloudy? Cloudy clouds have come? No. Is it rainy? Yes, you're right. Today it is raining and rainy rain has come. So let's take rainy rain and make her sit here. Rainy rain is sitting up and give a clap to yourself. And now I have a story for you. For that you have to keep your listening ears open and your looking eyes wide open on me. Okay? Are you ready for the story? So, let's begin the story. One day, Ambi the ant was very hungry and she was looking for something to eat. She was very hungry. She saw an arrow pointing down. So she followed the arrow and there she saw an apple. She ate it. And when she finished eating, there was an alligator in front of her. And looking at the alligator, she started screaming and ran away. So, did you enjoy the story of Ambi the ant? Yes. And what was the Ambi ant following? What did she see and she followed? Yes, you're right. She followed the arrow. Yes, it was showing the direction. Yes, arrow bata rahi thi kahan jana hai use. Yes. And then what she wanted to eat, what did she see over there? She was hungry and she wanted to eat something. So what did she see? You're right. An apple. Yes. And when she ate the apple, What did she see? Who was there in front of her? You're right. It was an alligator. Yes, alligator had a big mouth open. And then Ambi the ant got scared. And how did she scream? Ah, ah, ah. Yes. And then she ran away. So, there was in the story an ant, arrow, apple, alligator. So can you guess and tell me which letter are we learning today? Yes, I can hear y'all. We are learning letter A. Yes, and what sound does letter A make? Ah, what sound does it make? Ah, come on, do the action with me. A says ah. A says ah. You have to put your tongue out and say ah like this. Ah. A says ah. Very good. You all are doing it nicely. And now I have your English textbook. Yes. And now you're going to look at the pictures which all begin with letter A. Okay? Like A for apple, yes? And you're going to draw a line with crayon. And what is this big over here? You're right, it's an apple. And you're going to color it red. Okay? Now I'm waiting for you all to finish. Now we finished matching, yes? So now I have your English workbook. And what you can see over here? Yes, it's an aeroplane. And which letter it is? A. Which letter? A. And A says ah. A says ah. Yes. So you're going to trace it nicely with the crayon. Go up, down, and a small sleeping line. That gives you letter A. Okay? Come on now, quickly trace it. I'm waiting for you all to finish. So now I'm back with the notebook. Okay, you'll all have to get your notebook like this. Okay, and the red color crayon. Okay, and before that, let us do some finger exercises. Keep your palms like this. Yes, close, open, close, open, close, open. Now we're going to join all these four fingers to our thumb. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. Now we've learned letter A. And what sound does it make? It says ah. It says ah. Do the action with me. A says ah. Very good. I can hear everybody. And we've learned the pattern also. You remember? Up, down pattern. Yes, it's same like that. So on your palm, right, come on with me. Up, down, and a small sleeping line. A. Good job. One more time we will write. Up, down, one small sleeping line. A. Very good. Can you tell me what all comes from A? Yes, apple. Very good. What else? Arrow. Yes. And you know one thing? That we have friends in our class whose name begins with A. Should I tell you their names? Okay. It is Ali, Alicia, Aliza, Afia, then Amara, then Amina, then Anabia. Yes, so I know so many names, okay? And their names begins with A. A says ah. Okay, now let's write. You can see teacher has already written letter A over here and there are dots, 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 okay? So first we are going to slowly trace and then we are going to write on our own. Okay? पहले हम slowly trace करेंगे और फिर हम खुद से try करेंगे. Okay? Remember, we don't have to write in the margin. So say Bismillah and begin with me. Up, down, small sleeping line. A says ah. Say the sound and write. A says ah. A says ah. A says ah. A says ah. Good job. Y'all are writing it very nicely. Now let's go and try it on our own. Up, down, small sleeping line. A says ah. Come on, write. A says ah. A says ah. A says ah. A says ah. Good job. One more last time is left. A says ah. Very good. You're all finished with me. Give a clap to yourself. And now, what all we wrote in the class, you're going to write it in your notebook for your homework. Okay? And which letter did we learn today? A. A says ah. Okay. Now repeat after me what all we saw in the story. Yes, there was Ambi the ant. There was arrow. Then there was alligator. Yes, alligator. Then there was apple. Apple. Ant. Apple. Alligator. Arrow. Yes, and A says egg. So, that's all for today. See you tomorrow.